In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that a zoom so it must be visible. So in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies. We just increase its size, change its color. Here is project description. We increase also its size so it must be visible. So we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have how many questions? 10, 11, 12, 19. Okay, we have 22 questions. Last one is a non-graded one in which we have to save and close, then submit and get the result. Okay, so we have just 21 questions in today graded part. So let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. So remember that we are solving Exp22 Excel chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Movies project description. You are an assistant manager at Premier Movie Source, an online company that enables customers to download movies for free. You need to track movie download sales by January. You gather the data for April 2024 and organized it an Excel workbook. You are ready to create charts to help represent the data so that you can make a presentation to your manager later this week. Okay, so this was just simply project description. We have to read that project description. Okay, after reading project description we get idea that what we have in project and how we have to solve that one. So let me move toward graded part. Steps to perform, then instructions. Start Excel, then download and open a file named this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. Then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Yeah, that is available. So we just open our solution file first. Okay, the solution file is just getting opening. So question number 1 is done, in which we have to open our start file or solution file. Now we are moving toward question number 2. You want to create a pie chart to show the percentage each category contributes monthly movie download. Okay, that was just simply instruction about question number 2. Our main part of question number 2 is start from here. Okay, select the ranges A5 to A10, then F5 to F10. Then we have to create a pie chart. So first we have to select A5 to A10, then hold on control key and select F5 to F10. Both ranges are selected. Then we have to create a pie chart. Okay, so click on insert pie chart, done. Then move it chart sheet, name April pie chart. Okay, now we have to copy April chart sheet name here. Then that is created. Okay, now we have to move that. Simply select this one, then this move option. new sheet, and the name of new sheet we have already copied. Simply press OK and we have done. Okay, so question number 2 is done. In question number 2, what we have done, we just simply select the ranges E5 to E10, F5 to F10. Then we have to create a pie chart. After creating a pie chart, then we have to move it to chart sheet named April pie chart. Okay, after solving question number 2, we have earned, how many marks we have earned? We have earned 6 marks from this question. Okay, now moving toward the next part. The chart need a descriptive title that is easy to read. Okay, so type April 2024 downloads by January as a chart title, then apply bold, then 18-point font size and black text one font color. So there are 4 to 5 parts in this question. We will solve each and every part step by step. First we have to type April 2024 download by January as a chart title. Select this one and Control V. Done. Then in next part we have to apply bold. Okay, now we have to select this one and here we have to apply bold. Then we have to apply 18-point font size. Okay, so here is font size and we have to apply 18 point, and then we have to apply black text one font color. Font color black text one. Okay, yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, after solving question number 3, we have earned 5 marks. Okay. In question number 3, we have to type April 2024 downloads by January as a chart title. Then we have to apply bold, then 18-point font size, and in last we have to apply font color, that is black text 1. Okay. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Percentage and category data labels will provide identification information for the pie chart. So add data labels inside and position. Okay, we will just move step by step. First we have to add data label inside and position. So select this one, there is data label and it's inside and position. Okay, then select category name and percentage label. Okay, now we have to select category name and percentage. Okay, then remove a value data labels. Yes, we have. Then add and legend. Now we have to remove also legend from it there. Okay, so we will remove legend later. Okay, then we have to apply 14-point font size, then black text on font color. We have to change 14 and font size black text 1. Okay, then now we are just removing a legend. Okay, select this one and now remove a legend. So question number 4 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. In question number 4 we have to add data labels in the inside and position. Then select the category name, percentage labels. Then remove a value data labels and the legend. Then apply a 14-point font size and black text 1 font color. Okay, to a data label. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to focus the comedy movies by exploding it by changing its fill color. Okay, so explode the comedy slice by 7%. Okay, now we have to explode comedy slice, this one. Okay, double click on there is explosion option. Now we have to write the 7, press enter. Okay, then apply dark red fill color. Now we have to apply fill color. Apply click on there, fill color, and fill color is dark red. Yes, done. So question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5, we have earned 4 marks there. In question number 5, we have to explode the comedy slice by 7%, and then we have to apply dark red fill color. So question number 5 is done. Now we are moving to our question number 6. A best practice to include all text for accessibility compilers. Okay, so we have to add all text including periods. Okay, so we have to copy this line including periods. Okay, this one. Control C is shortcut for copy. Then select this chart or right click on chart, and there is view all text option, and here you have to paste that one. Okay, Control V, then click outside there, then simply cross. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to add all text. The pie chart shows percentage of download batch January for April 2024 including period. After adding this all text, we have earned 2 marks from there. Now we are moving to our question number 7. Next, you want to create a combo chart to deplist, dip, depict monthly totals and percentages by categories. Okay, so display the data sheet. Okay, first we have to display data sheet. Then select the ranges A4 to A10, F4 to F10. Where is A4? Okay, A4 to A10, then F4 to F10. Then create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So insert, here's a line chart, clustered column. What type of chart we have to? We have to create clustered column. Sorry. So for that we have to move there, clustered column. Okay. It's combo chart and it's clustered column aligned on secondary axis. Yes, this one. So there are two C's, A4 to A10, F4 to G10. Sorry, okay. There must be G10, two series. We have to select that one. So now we have to click on recommended chart, and then clustered column line on axis. Now simply press OK. Done. Okay. Then so question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we have to display data sheet first. Then we have to select the ranges A4 to A10 and F4 to G10. Okay. First we have to select all ranges by hold on control key. Then we have to create a clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. Okay. After creating that one, we have earned 4 marks from there. This one. Okay. Then in next part, in question number 8, what we have to, you want to position the chart below the data series. Okay, so cut the chart and paste in cell E13. First we have to cut mean control X is shortcut for cut, then E13, here we have to paste, control V is shortcut for paste. Then next part, what we have to do, we have to change the height 3.5 inches and width 6 inches. Now we have to change height 3.5 inches and width is 6 inches. Okay, done. So question number 8 is done. In question number 8, we just cut the chart and paste it in cell E13, then change the height of to 3.5 inches and width to 6 inches, and we have earned 5 marks from there. Okay, so question number 8 is done. Same way we will solve question number 9 up to question number 21 step by step. So you may see we have 20 to 21 question and we have solved almost half of assignment in today's video. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movies. In start we just discussed the project description, then we move toward grade report and we have solved question number 1, then we have solved question number 2, then we have solved question number 3, then we solve question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step by step we have solved all these questions. Okay, almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, the result will be 100%. That's my guarantee, that's my promise. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and marks will be 100%. Okay, so remember that I am also expert of other courses. Just like if you need help regarding mathematics assignment, if you need help regarding English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100%. You may remember that in today's video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 3 cumulative assessment movies. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.